How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. So if you're wondering on how you can simply add connectors to your Elegoo Slicer, it's extremely easy to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to simply add a shape or model onto my plate, and then I'm going to use this as an example. So in order to add your connectors, the first thing that you do is to simply cut your model. So it's going to be this specific function right here. You can also press C on your keyboard after selecting your model, which will open up the cut function. So you can use this different controls in order to position your cut. So maybe you want to cut it this way. Of course, you could simply do that. But in my case, I'm just going to be cutting it on the center of my model right here. So you want to make sure to also select the add connectors option. And then in here, we have different presets that we can use. You also have your type, depth, size, and more. So based on my experience using the hexagon provides us with the best results. Now you want to click on the part of your model where you want to add your connector. So in my case, it's going to be on the middle part. Now you can add multiple connectors if you want to. Just click multiple times on your model. And then of course you can edit everything out the way you want to. For example, you have your depth, and then you have the size of it, and then you have your rotation. So after setting everything up, click on the confirm connectors, and then it will apply those connectors. So the only thing left to do now is to click on perform cut. And now that we have successfully cut and applied the connectors onto our model right here, as you can see. So I'm going to move this other model. It will simply split it into two parts. And then that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.